Hey there everyone, this is your boys Tokos Reviews. Today we're going to be talking about the Mavic 3. Yes, I finally got my hand on one, and the edition that I have is the Mavic 3 Fly More Combo Edition. And this bad boy is packing a lot of new features and a lot of new hardware. One thing I'm excited about is the actual camera. Now this is a 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera. This can record up to 5.1K video footage in Apple Pro resolution and also takes amazing pictures. The only thing I didn't like about this is when DJi only limited it to only 20 megapixel. I wish they gave this camera a 43 to 46 megapixel, and one of the reasons why, as a photographer, we all know the more megapixel the better it is, especially when cropping into an image. You will see better detail of that image that you're cropping into, and 20 megapixel doesn't cut it for me, and I think DJi could have done better on that. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system uses 6 fisheye sensors and 2 wide angle sensors. Sensors in the front, the back, the bottom, and the top. According to DJi claim, by angling the sensor in a different angle, it makes the obstacle avoidance even more better, according to DJi, but we will soon find out. Out of all the days of the week, I pick this rainy and cloudy day to try out the Mavic 3. One of the reasons why I personally did this was to see how well the Hasselblad camera 4.3 CMOS sensor works, because according to DJi, they claim that it takes amazing photo in low light situations and video. So this is a overall review of that. So check it out.
The things that I make them drop, feel I stop it so they don't know what's going on. Lady, sing your prayer. But you care if I came over there. Muscle like I'm faded, but I'm all there. Say do what you do, my baby. My day, it's time for me to say. Never seen one like you before. Vines holding me back from all this love. I wanna keep on moving, and now I'm stuck. Though your face I can't ignore it. So, lady, sing your prayer. Did you care if I came over there? Muscle like I'm faded, but I'm all there. Say do what you do, my baby. Say that they made my day, it's time for me to say. Lady, sing your prayer. Did you care if I came over there? Muscle like I'm faded, but I'm all there. Say do what you do, my baby. Say that they made my day, it's time for me to say. It's in my head now, in the bed, then Rudolph's golden leg.
now we're going to see the photo quality to see if 20 megapixel is enough for this Hasselblad 4.3 CMOS sensor camera. So just before I wrap things up, I just wanted to say this. The Hasselblad 4.3 CMOS sensor on the Hasselblad camera that was specifically made by Hasselblad for the Mavic 3 is an amazing camera. And the reason why I wanted to test out this camera in a low light situation like what you see here, because it was very cloudy and it was raining, the light wasn't all that. Like other videos, they shot it in a very good day where the sun was really out and they got some amazing footage. But I was shocked that the Hasselblad 4.3 CMOS sensor on this camera really made a big difference. So I'm going to give Hasselblad and also DJi 2 thumbs up because of that. Their claim is true. It does take very good video and pictures in low light situation. Now the other thing I wanted to mention was I didn't talk about the zoom capability. Now from my experience, if you kept the zoom at 2, 4, and 7 times, you will get amazing zoom capability and it will be clear. Going beyond that, it will get very blurry, so I'll definitely leave that up to you. And just before I wrap everything up, I just wanted to say this: if you guys like content like this, hit that like button, and if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. That will further help me make content like this so you guys can view my updated videos and also my upcoming review videos. And if you guys have any comments or any question, drop it down below and I'll try to get back to you guys ASAP. And like always guys, this is my experience using the Mavic 3 live. All fotos from Tokos Reviews. Peace.